Hi everyone! I have yet another digital piano for repair. This time it is Kawai model CN27. Here it is. I detached the top from the stand to get it here on my bench, and it is sitting on a couple of pieces of wood here because there is a plastic hook here for the headphones, and also the power supply is connected from the bottom. And the problem with this thing is this B key. It is not working. So let's take it apart and have a look. So I took the cover off and also the sliding cover for the keyboard. Let's have a brief look what's inside of this thing. Let's start from the right. There is a small side panel there with the power button and volume control. Then the right speaker here. Then we have this main board with the power amplifier integrated right there, very compact. Then we see this board with the connectors, MIDI, USB, power and pedals. Then the left speaker and a small board there to support this left control panel. I unscrewed this piece so I can reach the keyboard. So I unscrewed this retainer and removed this B4 key, and there is not much to see there. I'm afraid the whole keyboard has to be taken out. So I removed these screws on the bottom holding the keyboard and detached these connectors here. So now we can lift the keyboard right out. Here it is. So there are just two sections here. Here is the split between them. So let's remove this section and have a look. Here it is. And the problematic key, I believe, is this one. And nothing seems to be wrong around here in the first glance. After looking closer at this, I think I see something. Look into this middle hole and look into this one and this one. Do you see that this and this looks fine, but this one looks a bit deformed? I wonder, how did this happen? Let's lift this rubber strip and have a look on the other side. Oh, look at this. Do you see this? How did this happen, I wonder? And even more interesting is that I just touched it with the screwdriver and it straightened out by itself, and I don't see any problem with it at all. So how did it get stuck in that position before? Here it is, back in place, and looks fine so far. The keyboard is back in the case, and look at this. No problem. The piano is back together. Thanks for watching. Bye.